Good, not actually morning, guys. I had a great night's sleep. Shawna came back to me. I woke up like on the floor though because my air mattress lost air.
This is also why I could never do it.
Also, look at what she got me again.
2 days in a row.
I was gonna say damn, and then I was like, so I don't know. Whatever sounds. I gotta eat this because I'm starving. Then I'm gonna shower, and then we're gonna play bingo, and then
we're going for a walk.
We're going for, I don't know if I'm gonna go. My ear is still filled with fluid. It sucks. So I'm like all like, I just wish it was warm enough to swim, and it's not.
I'm doing it the opposite way today, though.
Do you want to tell them what happened yesterday? Or we'll just keep that a secret forever?
We'll keep that a secret forever. I'll tell them it sometime. Sometime you'll know. But today, you'll
like next year.
When, yeah. So, we'll look at the damages it did.
It was a shark, guys.
Yes. So, yesterday I went for a walk with Kelly and... Is he here?
I don't know. I'm not dressed, guys. And we're at Meme and Pepe's, if you couldn't tell.
So yesterday, Kelly and I went for a walk. I feel like
you
my
want to
teeth are
start
dirty.
No, just start over.
So yesterday, Kelly and I went for a walk, and we went like in a loop. So we went to the beach, and from the beach, you can walk that whole road, and then walk a little tiny bit, then walk down towards Jonah's mom's and cut through again back to the beach. So we walked that loop, but we walked it the way that, so we went uphill through the cut path that cuts between two roads, and like we died. I died, let's be real. It's hard. It doesn't look that big when you're in a car, but when you're walking, it's a steep hill. And when you're fat and way overweight, I was dead. Like, ask Jonah, my face was so red afterwards. But it's a good workout. It's probably like 2 kilometers, 2.5 kilometers. And it's mostly uphill. Depends on which way you walk it. So not only are you walking a good distance, it's about like, it took us 35 minutes.
No, it took you like 45 minutes.
Well, no. It took us 35 minutes, but we had stopped because Coda was dying. Like, before we even got to the beach part, because we started at between the two roads. We parked at the end of each road and we started and walked the beach way. Before we even got to the cut path after the beach road, Coda was dead. I had to literally drag him. So it took us longer because he kept stopping to lay down. I'm like, come on now, Coda.
Yeah.
But it was fun.
And Toronto.
It's brand new.
Do you have a line made yet? Line made yet? Line made yet? Do you have a line made yet? Do you have a line?
Oh, 72. Oh, 72.
You missed.
So we're just gonna wait a few more seconds because I know that there was someone on the other line. So we do have 2 free lines if you want to call in. Okay, we have all 3 free lines. So if you do have one.
Okay, so I wrote down a whole bunch of things, and I'm asking Shawna these questions about me to see if she can get them right. And she's over there. The reason why I wrote them down is so that she can't say that I lied.
I actually don't know.
So, favorite color? Favorite number? Favorite province?
Okay.
Favorite flower?
I feel like you don't know a lot of flowers, so it's something random like buttercup.
Write it down.
Okay.
Favorite drink?
Know what we can get?
What?
Slushes.
Okay.
Instead of going to...
Favorite movie? Instead of going where? Okay, let's compare
Can I
results.
tell you something funny?
What?
I wrote stepman.
Okay, here.
I want to see them first.
Whoa. You're not allowed to change them.
Okay.
Okay, so you got favorite
Green.
color right.
Number. Whale wrong.
What?
And I knew that it was PEI, but I was
Yeah,
scared.
but you can't say two.
No, but
That's
I knew
cheating.
it was that.
Cheater.
Fine, half a point. And then flower. Did you look at the window and put a
Yep,
rose?
but I like roses.
Water
and stepmom. So you know me
1,
okay.
2, 3, 4.5.
Now you do it for me.
That was Jonah's, and this is mine. I'll see if you can see that. It's really light because I was using a...
I was using a what?
Favorite colors.
Colors.
Yep. That's a lot.
Okay.
Favorite number.
Okay.
Favorite animal.
I feel like I don't know you.
Why? Oh my goodness. If you don't get this, we're done.
Okay.
Favorite flowers.
Why'd you get to pick two?
Because I couldn't pick between them.
Is that it?
No. Favorite drink. And bonus point if you get the favorite brand. Like the favorite... Yeah, I guess you call it brand.
Okay.
Favorite movie series. I guess it's a series.
Okay.
Okay. Favorite colors? Like you have to read them out loud.
Yeah, no, you say them.
Yellow and red.
Yellow and orange.
Ew, who are you? Favorite number?
5.
19. Favorite animal?
Hippo.
Okay, offensive and
Why?
owls.
They're cute.
Who
Oh yeah,
are you?
owls.
What are you doing with your life?
I actually forgot. That was dumb. Wow.
That's what I said. We're over. That's it.
Okay.
Favorite flowers?
Tulips and carnations.
Carnations is one and daisy is the other.
Well, what? Half a point. Okay, next.
Okay, favorite drinks?
Snapple iced tea.
No.
What is it?
Pure leaf.
Iced tea.
Yeah.
I was close though, right?
You were close. I mean, I
You
like
like
Snapple.
Snapple.
But my favorite is pure leaf because they use like half the sugar and it's so good. Last question. Favorite movie series, I guess it's a series. I put my favorite of all time is Amityville Horror.
I said Twilight.
Do you know me?
No.
We're over.
guys, so Shauna's gone back home and I'm going to sleep one more night in this tent. I don't know how much of it you can actually see because there's like no light in here. Oh look, I can do this. Boom, tent. I'm going to sleep in there for one more night. And I'm going to watch Milk, the movie Milk, about, I actually don't know what it's about. I think it's about like gay rights and stuff, but I've never seen it before. So I'm going to watch that after I do some editing and upload a video. But I hope you guys all had a great day today. I had a pretty good day. It was like, we didn't really do much. We played Pokemon Go and like drove around and stuff, but nothing else really. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.